Hey guys, welcome back to the Analyst. My name is Soliman, a professional analyst instructor. Today we're talking about the difference between Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. These are three powerful tools that can help you analyze and visualize your data. But what is the difference between them, and which one should you use? Power Query. Power Query is a data extraction and transformation tool. It allows you to connect to a variety of data sources, clean and manipulate your data, and then load it into Excel or Power BI. Power Query is especially useful for complex data transformations, such as merging multiple data sets, splitting columns, and converting data types. Power Pivot. Power Pivot is a data modeling tool. It allows you to create a data model in Excel. A data model is a way of organizing your data in a way that makes it easier to analyze. Power Pivot allows you to create relationships between tables, calculate measures, and create hierarchies. Power View. Power View is a data visualization tool. It allows you to create interactive data visualizations, such as charts, maps, and tables. Power View is especially useful for creating dashboards and reports that can be shared with others. Comparison. Here is a table that compares Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. Which one should you use? The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs. If you need to connect to a variety of data sources and perform complex data transformations, then Power Query is a good choice. If you need to create a data model and calculate measures, then Power Pivot is a good choice. And if you need to create interactive data visualizations, then Power View is a good choice. Conclusion. Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View are three powerful tools for data analysis and visualization. By understanding the difference between these tools, you can choose the right tool for your needs.